Welcome to Coyote Classics here in Green, Iowa. Today we're going to be checking out this factory Turquoise on Turquoise 1965 Chevy El Camino. Beautiful color combination. They even like what they did with the bed, bed line, but all done in the turquoise for the bed liner.
It's a gorgeous car, awesome stance. It's still on fast idle a little bit, just because it's so cold, the choke's still on. But
this is a factory Turquoise on Turquoise, K for exterior paint and K for interior. But it's a cold day here today in Iowa. Good looking engine compartment, 283 under the hood. Nice Champion aluminum radiator with dual electric fans.
Got power steering. As far as it's got a newer Eldebrock carburetor on it, and like I said, runs and drives great with really nice paint on it. I love that they did a great job in the door jambs, underneath the hood, inner fenders, all that stuff looks awesome.
Yeah, good color. You really don't see too many of these 65s, it seems like. We only had a couple that I can think of in the last few years.
And look at the bright work. I mean, the grill, the bumpers. I love the Fouche rims with this too. Like I said, it's got an awesome stance.
Yeah, hood seems to line up good. A lot of metallic there in that turquoise. If I can get my shadow out of the way.
Looks like the bottom of the door fits great. Front and behind the rear wheel. Now look at the body lines.
Yeah, it really fits pretty good, don't it? Good looking car.
Really nice. Back bumper, super clean. Dual exhaust, looks nice. Sounds good as well.
I think there is a...
And how many of them do you find that they did the turquoise inside with the bed liner? I mean, it's gorgeous.
Yeah, beautiful. One of the main imperfections is there's some paint shrinkage kind of right here on the hood that you can see in maybe the right light, but it's kind of in a spot where it makes it tough to see, but it does have that there.
It's basically the only real paint imperfection, isn't it?
So far that I've seen. Corner of the door here is real solid. See the factory seam line there. Bottom side of the door looks good. Did a good job in the door jamb paint as well.
Dash looks beautiful. I mean, for a turquoise on turquoise car, this one really turned out nice.
Yeah, I like the door panels too.
We did put a brand new shifter in it. The 4-speed shifter was just a little wore out, so we put a brand new shifter in it, shifter mechanism and everything.
Seat's in real good shape. Looks like it's got, I think, some paint here for paint match.
Yeah.
Come with it.
That's always important.
Like I said, they did a good job with even the paint on the dash. All the stainless there on the dash, and the paint looks great. Dash pad's nice. It's got a little aftermarket tack there. Steering wheel's in good shape. Headliner's nice and tight.
Really a show quality car through and through, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks good.
Even all the chrome around the top of the box and around the back window, that stuff all looks like it's brand new as well. I mean, they didn't use, I don't think they really reused any old original chrome, as far as maybe around the windows right here.
The rubbers are new as well.
Yeah, just around here is about the only factory chrome. Other than that, everything that they could replace, they did. New door handles as well. Those are all brand new. New mirrors, new emblems.
As Chad mentioned, corner of the door fits great. Really straight car here on this passenger side. Really nice and straight. Back bumper looks great. Looks like that was replaced when they did the paint and restoration. Nice exhaust tips. Tailgate looks good. Maybe a small paint
all
chip
the
right
emblems here for the tailgate are all brand new as well. We went ahead and redid all the wiring in the back. That all looks nice and done right now. All the lights work. Like I said, look at, even down here in this JMD, they did a beautiful job. This is even chrome. The hinges are even chrome. They got chrome crazy, didn't they?
It looks. That's a great combination. That chrome with that turquoise is really pretty.
This door sticks out just a little bit. Let me try that striker once. It can be popped in a little bit, but
box side here is real nice and straight. No chips, nothing like that below or behind that rear tire.
How about even in here? I'm guessing they did a great job there too. Yeah, they did. Look at that.
It's a real sharp car. Definitely turns some heads. Seems like it's a color you don't see very often either. You do have a small chip here on this edge of the door that's been touched up.
This side of the car is a lot warmer, D. It's out of the wind.
I know. I did notice that. We got around here and it seemed a lot warmer.
It's like, holy smoke.
A couple of small little chips here on the front side of the door.
They did a great job of the jams, didn't they?
Mm-hmm.
That corner of the doors had a little bit of work on it. That's
Yep.
why it's just not perfect, 100% perfect like the other one, but still nice and clean, isn't
Yeah. Door panel's in good shape. I'll let you do this.
Yeah, well, I like the old time tack in there. It's just real period correct. There's your jams. All the paint is really done nicely there. They pulled the fenders, hood, doors, everything was taken off. And they did it. Gas gauge works. We filled it up with gas when it came in. It's at 3/4 now. Wipers work. Blades have been replaced as well. Carries good oil pressure. You said this was a 283, right?
Yes, 283.
Sounds good.
I think my
Tachometer works.
my mic thinks it's a little cold too. That kind of quit working, so the audio on the second half of the video might not be as great, so apologize about that.
Different insurance companies, so you can be.
AM/FM cassette works. And like you said earlier, I mean, the paint on the dash, everything's just gorgeous. All the emblems are nice. Like I said, brand new shifter, so that should shift great. Here's reverse right here. One works. Can't wait for the warmer days, dude.
Oh, I know. Seems like we've got to be getting closer. We got through Christmas, so now we're just a couple more months.
Getting there. Just got done driving that 1970 Chevelle Super Sport. Now we're driving this little 283.
Yeah.
3,000 RPM. We got a turn signal switch, I think, coming for this D, so when they do that, they're going to get the steering wheel straightened as well. Because the alignment feels really good so far. We just need to get that steering wheel back on there straight. We had the steering wheel off a couple times. Steers well. It's 3,500 RPM shift. 3.
Yo, girl, it's pretty cold today, yeah.
It is. Speedometer does not work either, so that's something we got to look into. So straighten the steering wheel and get the speedometer fixed. So it says we're doing about 110, and I don't think that's quite right.
I don't think so either.
I think we're doing about 60.
And that's a little noise too. You can hear that speedometer makes a little noise. Yeah.
As far as the alignment, it goes perfectly straight down the road. We'll check our synchros.
Talking about that speedometer noise. Those speedometer heads get noisy.
Well, especially when it's cold.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it went a little berserk, didn't it?
It goes crazy.
That's part of owning the old car.
It is.
You know, the other day the speedometer was working. Today it's really cold, and it kind of went berserk on us. But
we'll take a look at
like
the
I said,
speedometer,
that's all part of it. So yeah, we'll see what's going on there. But there we go. That's a lot better, ain't it?
Yeah. Down the road, good. Cool car. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. There's that speedometer head. Damn it. Sorry about that. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next test.